Dumela, welcome back to Sona class. Today I am going to talk about Botswana, like what happens during the festive seasons in Botswana. If you are in Botswana or traveling to Botswana during festive season, you might have noticed a high number of law enforcement. Let's put it that way. That's the American way. Law enforcement are just like all over town. Everywhere you go, there's a police uniform and soldiers. It's just like, what is going on? Is there something in the air? What is going on? So yeah, in Botswana they do have this security reinforcement during the festive season to just make sure that the public is safe. So don't worry if you're going to Botswana around that time and you see a lot of police officers all over. Don't worry that there must be something going on or what. They might even ask for your identity, but that is like if it's I don't know, for traveling reasons. Maybe you are hitchhiking, or maybe somebody's running a syndicate business of like transporting people illegally, because that's when transportation is needed. A lot of people will be traveling out of the city to the villages. So there's shortage of transportation as well. So be warned if you're going around that time. And one thing that is sad, it's not like I said, like, oh, I want to cry about it, but it's a reality that is there in Botswana. There is no like booking ahead when it comes to public transportation. So if you are traveling to Botswana and you are gonna rely on public transportation around that time, just know that there might be some few delays because the buses are overworked and overwhelmed. So yeah. Okay. As I'm going to show you guys a clip of really what I'm talking about in the that was happening in the news there. They even make sure to announce it so that there is no misunderstanding. There's the Botswana police that they conduct this stuff. Okay, let's watch the news.
You're watching BTV News. Thank you for staying with us. Now, moving on. Divisional Commander South Senior Assistant Commissioner Israel Tuyelo has appealed to Molepolilo community to work well with law enforcement officers who will be on duty during the festive season. Speaking recently at Molepolilo during the launch of the 2024 Joint Festive Season Operation, Senior Assistant Commissioner Tuyelo has noted that they are well prepared to mitigate any situation they may come across. He also highlighted that they will be working with different departments to create a crime-free festive season. Jessica Bilan.
Okay, before we get to what the police officers are going to say, you might be wondering, why then are they doing that during the festive season? Well, like I said, people are traveling. That means when people are traveling, that means people have money. And when people have money, that means they have lots of things that other, like, people who don't want to work, they want to take advantage of the situation. Then the fruit will be ripe for them, if you know what I mean. Yes, people will be stealing. Thieves are on high alert. So that's what's basically is going on. Like, a lot of incidents do happen around this time. There's lots of petty crimes going on. So they want to make sure that the security presence is there and it can like mitigate the situation as quick as possible. You don't have to be calling 999. I almost said 911. 999. You can just like, where the police are, and you can just like quickly run to them and say, yo, somebody took my phone right now, and they can, catch the thief. That's what's going on there. Especially in the big cities and big villages, that's where it's mainly needed. But when you go to the like smaller villages, everybody's just happy because people from the city are around and they're showing off whatever they came with. So yeah.
Molepolle, just like other villages, is said to be prone to criminal offenses such as stealing from a dwelling house, theft common, assault common, amongst others, especially during the festive season. Last year, over 100 of various types of crime were recorded in this village over the festive season. Heeding to President Advocate Duma Boko's plea of creating a safe and secure environment during the festive season and beyond, law enforcement officers in Molepolole took a familiarization tour in the streets to raise awareness about their joint festive operation. We believe that we have deployed enough numbers here, but if we come across challenges which require more officers, we will augment the numbers.
So they will add more to these numbers.
Senior Assistant Commissioner Tuelo continues to highlight some of the troubling crime-related issues during this season.
We rope them in because we are
going to engage by-law officers to help us with some liquor outlets which do not adhere to the official.
Okay, I think you get the point. So basically that's what's going on in Botswana. The police officers are on the news, they are on the radio, they are there in public areas raising awareness that we are around here. If you need help, we are just close by. And this was like in Molepole, one of the biggest villages there. I don't know why they still consider it a village, because it has everything that towns have. So, but it's still considered a village, I guess. So yeah, if you are traveling to Botswana around festive season, you should just be on the lookout for that, and also know that you are protected. And I think that's what also like the Botswana government is trying to show the people, that they are committed to making sure that everyone is safe around that time where it seems like everybody's in a jolly mood, and you might not be aware when people are coming to break into your house and stuff like that. So the police officers are roaming the streets, making sure that they are keeping everybody safe. So you are 100% safe when you go to Botswana, although there are some incidents that happens here and there. So, but just know that when you go around that time, that's what the police officers are doing, and the Botswana Defense Force. So yeah, I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you are here for the first time, please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Till we meet again next time.